Open the door.
Hi!
Open the door.
Come here. Stand up. Which one is one? This one or this one?
This one. I want.
Here.
Mama.
Say thank you, Mom. Hug me.
Thank you, Mom.
Yes. Kiss Mom. Kiss Mom.
Let's open it.
Surprise.
Let's
I have another surprise. You want to see?
Yes.
Close your eyes.
Beatles.
It's a Beatles. Yeah. Where we will put the Beatles?
When we put the Beatles.
Let's leave the Beatles here.
No, no, no.
That's the Beatles. So where we will put the Beatles? Yala, you take. Take, no problem. No problem.
When we put. Oh no! I don't want.
Where we will put? Oh.
I want to watch it and put the Beatles.
Gusto niya yung lagay ng tubig vibe.
Oh, wait.
Ilagay dyan. The Beatles will be die.
Where's the Beatles?
It will die. She is scared. No problem, baby. Oh, touch.
The Beatles scared the water. The Beatles scared the
Will die. Don't cover. No problem. His skin will die. No air. And what about this?
And the waiting box, please.
Wala, na.
Say please again, Mom.
Please, again, Mom. Put our waiting box. Waiting. Waiting box.
You know this. You know what is this?
It's a box twice.
You know what is this? Tuwa siya sa video.
Beatles.
Ha?
Mara.
Hindi ko mabuksan, bye.
Ha? Okay.
Beatles.
Ano to? Hindi man dyan. Sana, dito lang.
Sa?
Ito pa.
Na.
A mother
May nagpa ka. Hirap, may gunting pala dito.
Tingin mo na Rucho dito.
Saan?
Hindi rin.
Hindi rin.
Mommy, 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 she's died again. Oh my goodness! It's a course.
You know what is
Oh
this?
no, course. How much time?
Layot ang battery.
Ano ba ito?
Battery.
What's inside?
Tapos may tapos
Ito. May screw. Ang battery na lang.
anong ba ito kaya yan?
Double ito. Malagay. Kumuha ka muna sa remote ba? Palitan na. Ito yun. May charger siya.
Wow, may ano na si Agan, may school na.
Hmm?
May school. Ang ganda.
Okay, Beatles.
Ay,
Wala,
ito lang isa.
Hindi mo ba ito?
Die again. Where's the tree?
This is like this. Like also. racing car.
There's a car.
Wait.
I got a puppy. I got a puppy. It's a puppy. It's a white puppy.
Tawag ng uwak! Sino? Hmm? Tawag ng uwak. Oo, ala, nalaglag ang screw. Ala. Hindi pa naman. Ala. Ala, nalalaglag. Ayan. Ang screw, ang takip. Mamaya na, babe.
Wala yung ano, pantuto.
Babe,